our last topic for this video newsletter, educating the patients themselves about safe medication practices. Educating patients about safe medication practices can be a daunting task, given complex patient acuity, the range of patient health literacy, limited resources, and many other challenges. It is often difficult to communicate important medication safety issues to patients and their caregivers. But in contemporary healthcare, patient education is a patient's right and a healthcare provider's responsibility. Back out here with Mike Cohen, the president of ISMP. Mike, has ISMP looked into the matter of educating the patients themselves about medication safety issues? And are there any tools available for patients and their caregivers?
Yes, we have done that. As a matter of fact, we have a consumer website, and the URL is consumermedsafety.org. It's all free. There's no cost to participate and use the material that's available there. We do have a lot of safety tools. For example, we have patient education sheets on high alert drugs like methotrexate, opioids, various insulins, and several others as well. We have special sections like an over-the-counter drug safety section with a lot of great information to keep people safe when they're handling over-the-counter drugs and choosing them when they're at the pharmacy or the supermarket. We have an insulin safety center as well for patients that are diabetic and insulin dependent. And there are all kinds of safety tools. And in addition, we have a print newsletter that is available, but we take all the stories from the print newsletter and they're available on the website as well. And these are all geared to teach people about traps that people have fallen into when using prescription drugs or over-the-counter drugs. And it gives them a lot of great tips to avoid these problems for themselves or for their family. And then we also have, believe it or not, an error reporting program. So if a consumer is involved in a situation where, for example, they go to the pharmacy and there's some type of error that happens, they can contact us and we'll make sure that FDA is made aware. We get back to the pharmaceutical companies if it involves one of their products. We make recommendations, and we use that material often in our newsletter publications to educate others. So it's a very useful website, and again, no charge to use it. So I would highly recommend that patients look that way. And I think what we would like to see is hospitals actually linking to it from their website. I think it would benefit their patients. So take a look.
Great tools and great resources. Mike, as always, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
And we remind you that information on consumermedsafety.org is free, so definitely it's an important resource for patients.